Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Daisy Apparel. So as I told you guys recently, I'm going to be going to college and living in a dorm in a few months, so I decided to start decorating stuff for my dorm room. One of which is going to be cross stitches that I'm just going to leave in their wooden ring but hang them on the wall for decor. So I've actually already started one of them, and then I think I'm going to try to do two in this video, but I'll see how that goes. And I'll make sure to link the patterns that I'm making down below. That way you guys can go and try to cross stitch this too if that sounds interesting to you. One of the things I want to cross stitch is a lobster because, as I've said previously, my dorm room is going to be like an East Coast theme. And I think that I see lobsters like they're cross stitched or crocheted. There's so many different things with lobsters. I think it's just so cute. So I wanted to do that. And then another one is going to be a Bible verse with some little fish on it too. So I'm going to try to do both those in those videos. And also I'll link down below the video of my life updates and me talking about going to college. I'm excited, so let's get started. I just finished cross-stitching the little Fishers of Men cross-stitch, and I'm so happy with the way it turned out. I think it's just so cute. I also finished doing the back, which I really didn't film too much the making process of this. I think I just kind of filmed the beginning a little bit. So sorry about that. I just got kind of distracted making it, and it was a pretty quick make actually. So I think that's great if you're like a beginner or something. Then I also have the little lobster here, which I think both of these just came out so cute, and they're going to look so nice together in my dorm room. Then I will have the patterns available for sale, and I'll have a link down below to my Etsy shop where you can purchase the patterns, which this really helps support my channel because I'm still not monetized yet. But I think the patterns are both pretty easy to follow and will be really cute. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you found it helpful and enjoyed just seeing the small part of the process of making things for my dorm room. Please subscribe to the channel to see more content like this, as I will be posting more videos about making things for my dorm room and dorm room shopping. Thank you for following along. Bye!